Hi, I'm Mike Thompson. Is your Mario Kart on your Nintendo Switch constantly turning one way or the other? Well, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you weren't alive when the Nintendo 64 came out and you hadn't played Mario Kart on that system. Thankfully, Nintendo carried forward that glitch to this system. It's a really simple fix. Let me show you how to do it. When you first turn your Nintendo on, you have to make sure that the joysticks are centered, just like you did on the Nintendo 64. If you're sitting there, or your kid's sitting there with their thumbs slightly off center, it's going to register that as your center position. Or if your joystick's upside down on the couch, it's going to register that as center position. And so, you're always going to have a turning tendency that's going to be very hard to correct. So the way to fix it, turn your system off, let go of all your joysticks, and turn your system back on, and your problem will be solved. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. Okay, I'll get you some Cheez-Its. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Here, Doodles.